how to make a salt water cure to clear the energy of your home. Get a clean jam jar and 6 brass Chinese coins, some coarse sea salt. You can use small grain as well, but coarse is better. Some fresh, clean spring water. I like to use also a funnel because we're going to put the salt into the jam jar. You don't need it. Fill your jam jar about half full with your coarse sea salt, and then place your 6 brass coins face up, that's the side with the most figurines on it, around on top of the salt in your jam jar. Then we're going to pour the clean, fresh spring water into the jam jar just so it covers the coins. Here's an example of one I used last year. You can see how the salt and the coins and the water have absorbed all the negative stagnant energy. Here's a quick rundown of all the instructions, and you can also find that instructions and more information on my website, revivemylifenow.com. Thank you so much, and good luck with this.